Lithium-ion batteries are often the largest source of rechargeable battery power in the home. You'll find them in power tools, mobile phones, laptops, e-scooters and e-bikes. The great thing about them is that they are rechargeable, but you need to charge safely with the charger provided by the manufacturer to avoid a potentially devastating fire. Charging lithium-ion batteries with incompatible chargers is the main cause of lithium-ion battery fires. Even if the charger fits the charging port, it may be wrong for the battery, causing it to overheat and start a fire. If you need to replace your charger, it might be tempting to buy the cheaper generic replacement. Doing this could cost you more than you bargained for. Lithium-ion batteries contain technology that communicates with the charger to monitor how the charge is progressing. Once the battery is fully charged, it tells the charger to stop. If you use a charger that is incompatible with the battery could receive too much power or work too hard to get the power it needs, which causes it to overheat. So always buy replacement chargers and batteries recommended by the manufacturer. You'll be protecting your home, your loved ones, and yourself.